Good evening friends. Today I'm going to show you the latest pictures of OnePlus 6. In preparation for the upcoming launch of OnePlus, the OnePlus 6 was actually launched on the Chinese Ministry of Communication website, where most of the details and devices technical specifications are now exposed. From these details, OnePlus seems to be showing some of the physical components and design of the Oppo R15 models introduced last month. So according to data from TENAA, the OnePlus 6 model will incorporate a 6.28 AMOLED screen with full HD plus resolution in a 1080 into 2280 pixel layout, and the screen is expected to be similar to the Oppo R15 model and will display a slot protruding from handset frame into the screen. The slot comes in dimension smaller than the ones we saw on Apple's iPhone X model. At the bottom of the device you can find thin margins, and on both sides of the screen margins are even thinner. Under the hood of OnePlus 6, the Quaddragon Snapdragon 845 system from Qualcomm, which includes an octagonal cores processor, which will come according to data on the site at a maximum frequency of 2.45 GHz. It should be noted that the maximum frequency that the Qualcomm can utilize for the processor is 2.8 GHz. Next to the processor is 6 GB RAM or 128 GB storage, with another version of the device offering 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. So you guys will be getting two varieties. Sorry, 64 and 128 GB storage, and another version with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. On the other side of the photo is a dual error on the back of the OnePlus 6, which will include 16 and 20 megapixel sensors. The arrangement of the sensors is similar to the arrangement presented by the Chinese company Oppo, with a more prestigious model in its series, the R15 Dream Mirror Edition. So if the same footwear is also on the OnePlus flagship device, the pair of the cameras will offer aperture f/1.7. In front of the OnePlus 6, we are going to find a 16 megapixel SLP camera, surprisingly. Details from TENAA indicate that the OnePlus 6 will be slightly larger than the ones presented for the Oppo R15 models. These dimensions will start at the width of 75.3mm, height of 155.7 mm, a thickness of and a weight of 177 grams. Even the slightly larger dimension, the battery in the Plus 6 is expected to have a smaller capacity of 3300 MHz compared to 3400 MHz in the Oppo R15 model. Thank you guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Like, share and subscribe my videos. Thanks for all the support.